Welcome to the Canva Classroom Subscriber Celebration. In the third and final part, we will learn how the PDF Import button can be useful, how to connect your Google spreadsheets to charts, the process of connecting links to your Canva designs, plus so much more. Let's get started. You have created a table in Google Sheets. Go to File, go to Download, PDF Document. You export what you want to export. In this case, current sheet, letter size. For me, I want portrait. Export. It downloads your PDF to probably your downloads folder. I'm going to go to Canva. I'm going to click this button, and just like the last time, I will open it up. Here it is. Now, the one thing, it's in two parts. Well, really more than two parts. There's the so-called element, and then here are some boxes. Now, it thought that this was one text box. This is one text box and this one text box. It doesn't really matter because you can change it. Let's get rid of the text and look at this. You can change the colors here. Now, you might feel tempted to click on the color and change it. But you need to click on the colors on the top panel or you won't change it at all. They were all one color, that's why I thought it was all one thing. So everything that was pink is that one. So if you want them different colors, make sure in your document that it's something different. Because otherwise, you won't be able to make them different colors. Instinct says, click on this, go over here and click that. That's not the way it works. You need to click the buttons up here to change the colors. I'm going to click on this last black one and make it white. Newsletters. You create a newsletter. You've created one newsletter and you created a really long time ago in Google Docs. I want to show you how you can change it in Canva. Very, very, very easily. File, download, PDF. It downloaded it. It's probably in your downloads folder. Create a design, import PDF, and here's my newsletter. I'm going to make it a little bit larger because I want you to see that it took the Canva Classroom newsletter, and it tells me multiple fonts and multiple colors, multiple sizes, right? I can highlight over the Canva Classroom and I can change that to one of my colors. I've got this basic color kit, and so I can change that. Now I could even change my text. Let's say that I wanted to make it prompt black, and I wanted to change this to Nor'wester. It's just awesome. Now, here's where I wanted to show you what's special. There's the picture, right? And you think, oh, I just have to replace a picture. Well, Canva automatically formatted that to be a frame. So now I can go to Elements, type in Celebration, go to Photos, and insert a photo into the frame. Bam, I've changed the photo. So now in September, I could put out, oh, let me change that color. If I want to, I could download it as the PDF or one of these other things. If I was sending a newsletter, I probably would download it as one of the PDFs. Okay? I hope that helped explain a little bit about PDF import and how and why you would want to use it. While we're talking Google Sheets, I thought that I would talk charts. Charts can be found on your left-hand panel. If for some reason it's not there, click on the More button and click Charts. I'm just going to click on a couple. Nothing special there. Oh, do you see what I see? Connect with Google Sheets. Clear data. Connect with Google Sheets. Now, what's going to happen is something is going to pop up asking you to choose an account. It wants to access your Google Drives and access your Google Sheets. Go ahead and click that it can do that and click Continue. Now you're going to see the recently opened charts. So, charts for showing Google Sheet is what I named it. Sheet 1. What it wants you to do is put in the boxes that you want. So for me, I want to chart this, A2 to B4. A2 to B4. And we're going to see what happens. Range is invalid. Really? Let's try that. There we go. What does it give me? Font A, 6 votes. Font B, 1 vote. Font C, something else. That's pretty cool. And I can edit it and change it. Well, no, not that way apparently. I can change it this way. A line chart. Or a pie chart. There we go. So it tells me that 75% wanted this font, 12.5% wanted this font, and 12.5% wanted something else. And this is how I could use a voting poll and create a chart with it. And you have this call to action, buy this hoodie, right on the form. Well, what you can do is click that, go up to the right hand side and click on link. Put in whatever link you want it to link to right there and then hit enter. Download it as a PDF. So I'm going to click this one and I'm going to click download. And when I go to that download, I can click on buy this hoodie and it will open up into a new page for me. Try that out on your own and see what you think. We talked in the first lesson about making a prototype for something. If you need to see that, then be sure to check out the info card to get that video. However, I want to show you how to link a page to a page, or even, so I click on sign up. I go up here to link, and I'm going to link it to the one that says create new account. Now I'm going to click this one that says login. And I'm going to link it to the one that says login. Instead of it saying 5 untitled, I changed it to 5 login. Before I show you this in action, I want you to see something else. So let's go here. We're going to click on next. Let's link it. And we're going to we linked it to page 3. And this one, it doesn't go anywhere right now. That's the end of the prototype. Click on this Hide Pages button. And now you can add a title by templates. And for this one, I would change this to a link where it would buy. And I'm just going to link it to the same website, even though that's not going to be accurate. So I click publish. So there's everything. Sign up goes to page 4. Log in would go to page 5. Next would go to the next page. If I click buy, it would go to the website. So that's how you can use page linking. Make your prototype clickable. Here it is. Add links between elements and pages so you can click through your prototype. Got it? I got it. The next 2 tips are about comments and notes. You can click on an element or anything, like this is a text box. Something pops up over here on the side, add comment. If I click the background, something pops up on the side, so then I can add a comment. I want to have a full video on PDF import. And then, guess what? I comment it. And it goes over here to the side. And guess what? If I was in a group or a team, other people could reply to it, or I could say that I've done that. What is this? Add a sticker. And I can reply with the sticker there. Let's delete that entire thread. What else you can do is add notes. So down here on the left hand at the bottom, this is really good when you're doing presentations. Notes will be displayed in presenter view. You type in whatever you need to do in the presenter, and in the presenter mode, it will show it to you. Does that all make sense? Let's move on to our home page. I want to show you something there. Look at all of your folders. Now, this is my Canva Pro account, so I'm just going to show it to you in that, and then we'll take a quick look at the free account. But you can have up to 2 folders in your free account. And what I recommend doing is having one maybe for elements. Let's just look at this one that says Christmas Canva tutorials. Because that's right, I'm going to try to do Vlogmas. And I'm going to try to put up a brand new tutorial every day. I don't know if that's going to happen, but I'm going to try. What I want to show you is that up here, 3 dots, present folder, sort by, view as, create a folder, upload, share. We're going to look at view as. You can view it as a grid like it is here, or you can view it as a list. You'll notice that it tells me what type it is: blog, graphic, ebook, a 1080p, a 7x5, a tag. I can also sort it. Name A to Z, Z to A, old to new, new to old. That's what I wanted to show you, is that you can sort your folders. You can view them differently, whichever is easiest for you. So if I click those 3 dots, I can rename it. I can even add a banner. Oh, I don't know what that's for. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I think I know exactly what I'm doing. One time someone said, how do I figure things out? This is exactly how I figure things out. I play around with it. Edit. I want to edit this banner. Since this one's something to do with Christmas. Really? So, Christmas. set image as background. Save. Well, let's see what happens there. But yeah, this is how I figure things out. I just play. Christmas Canva tutorials. I am now in my free account. Let's go to not trash. Okay, one time I said you could treat trash like a third folder. Apparently, now that's not the case because there's nothing here. Any designs you delete, 30 days. You've got 30 days. So don't follow that. All your folders. I've got 2 folders here. One I call collab folder, one I call YouTube folder. I wanted to see if I could elements. Let me just click this. I wanted to see if I can add it to a folder. I can. If you have a free account, what I would recommend is creating one for elements and photos, right? That way you can save elements and photos and things in one, and then using one for your designs that you want to be able to access quickly. Does any of that make sense? Because you can't use your trash folder permanently as a third folder anymore. Apparently, my trick got out of the bag. That is one feature that I love with Canva Pro, is that I can have limitless folders, and I'm using them. Next time, I will be teaching a back to basics tutorial with the text top panel for our beginners, plus some tips you may not know. Thank you so much for learning with me today. If you like this lesson and want to see more like it, check out one of these tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. Bye!